Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hello everybody, how's my YouTube family doing? I'm starting my vlog from Sunday today. Yesterday was Saturday. You probably just seen I just baked a cake as always to take to my family's house. My nephews and nieces absolutely love my cake. It's like more like chocolate brownies. I've made it before, you guys know how I make it, but any questions just write in the comments below guys. And I just had dinner with mom and the family yesterday. Today is Sunday and I woke up early to get some housework done because I've got something exciting happening today. I'm going to see my favourite scholar, Mufti Menk, in the Bingley Hall, Birmingham. My friend surprised me with a ticket which I didn't know she got me, but God bless her, she wanted me to go with her, so it's my dream come true. I do really like Mufti Menk. I think I can relate to him. A lot of youth can relate to him as well. He's not judgmental. He gives you a chance to explain, to talk to him, he will listen to you. He won't just like judge you. So I just really recommend listening to his lectures and expanding in your knowledge in Islam. So yeah, so I'm definitely going to see him today. I'm so happy about it, and I just thought I'd clean the house. Obviously it's a Sunday, so I usually clean the house on Sunday anyway, so I don't have nothing to do when I come back a bit later. But yeah guys, I hope you guys have a lovely week, or you've had a lovely week, or you might have a lovely week next week. And please like, subscribe to my channel. I'm not going to talk much in this video, this is just an introduction. So guys, any questions, just comments please, just comment as much as you want. And I really look forward to answering some of your questions if you have any. And thank you so much for your support, and guys, have a lovely weekend, whatever's left of it. And it's end of July guys, I cannot believe it, it's start of August. What? Yeah, please guys, like and subscribe to my channel, it means a lot to me. And enjoy this vlog.
And it gives me great pleasure to welcome you today to the Light Upon Light Global Summer Conference entitled Reconnecting the Hearts Back to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
फिर नहीं कर सकते मोबाइल पे शूटिंग
अगर आप कहेंगी तो मैं आपके लिए रख भी सकता हूँ ये
आप किस चीज़ करते हैं कानून बार में सारे ऑर्डर बनाओ बंदा बनाओ रोड़ी जमाते इनको नहीं
ये 15 बच्चा
पिंजल
आप तो इधर ही है ना आपने तो नॉर्मल नहीं जाना
ना ये जा रही है ना
अच्छा ये भी जा
पूरी बखमल बखमल से जरूरत है तो
she's such a good girl, Luna. How's she doing now? She got any more nails left?
No, I did it all.
Well done, Luna. You got your nails done. Come here, Luna. Look, show me. Hello. Such a good girl, aren't you? Hey?